All right, everybody. Today we're going to start looking at some review stuff that we've already covered throughout this year. So I'm just going to give you each day a really quick video to just kind of remind you about how the concept works, and then we're going to give you a personal financial literacy video to help you out with your assignment. So today's concept is order of operations and prime factorization. So I'm going to start with order of operations. Now, remember, we use PEMDAS is the order. Just like the order that you get ready in the morning, you have to follow a set order to solve an expression. So remember, we've always start off with parentheses, then exponents, multiplication and division is left to right, and addition and subtraction is left to right. So if I had a little example here, I'm going to keep the numbers out. I'm just going to put the symbols. So if I had addition, then multiplication, then division, and then in parentheses I had subtraction, then addition. My order that I would follow, my first step, obviously I have to do parentheses first, but inside the parentheses I'm still having to follow order of operations. So I'm going to go inside and have an addition and subtraction, but that is left to right. So I'm actually going to subtract first. So that's my first step. Then after that, I would have an addition in the parentheses. My third step, now that I'm out of the parentheses, I can cross off the P. I don't have any exponents here, so I can go ahead and cross the E out. Then I go to M and D, multiply and divide. Well, this too is left to right. Over here on the left, I have a multiplication before I get to division. So I'm going to multiply as my third step. My fourth step, I don't have any other multiplication here, so my fourth step is going to be division. And then I can cross those off because I don't have any more multiplication or division. And then last thing, all I have left that I haven't used is the addition. So just remember, you have to follow your PEMDAS order. Make sure you're going left to right on multiplication, division, and adding and subtracting. And inside of parentheses, make sure you're also following order of operations order. Okay, second off is prime factorization. So just a starter, I always say our Fab 5 prime numbers, the numbers that are going to occur 99% of the time, are 2, 3, 5, 7, and 11. So I'm going to do a really basic one. I'm going to do 75. So if I want to find the prime factorization of that, I'm going to do a factor tree. And I know 5 goes into 75. And it goes in there, looks like 15 times. 5 is in the Fab 5, so I'm going to circle that. Then I'm going to keep going with the 15 because that is not prime. And I know that 5 times 3 is 15, and both of those numbers are prime. So when we write that out, we're going to write at least to greatest. So 3 times 5 times 5, or how we really like to show it is with an exponent, 3 times 5 squared. So that's order of operations and prime factorization. Just a little review there for you.